Joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 Mustang GT Coupe in magnetic with black cloth interior, seating for 4. This has a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a rear-wheel drive. It has LED headlights and taillights. It also has a backup camera, and it's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have this nice stitching in it with the Mustang logo there. Your lighting controls are located here, and you have a little bin to put items. As well, you have the release for your trunk. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it, you have your media with volume, cruise control, dash controls, and sync voice activated system. You also have paddle shifters, and there's one on the left, and the other one is on the right. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, and you can also toggle through a menu. So gauge mode, trip fuel, track apps, driver assist, settings, and they all have sub-menus. In the center, you're seeing your display, AM, FM, for your radio, as well as satellite. And then when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. Just going to put that back. You have your volume and tuner, and then below that is your fan. You also have AC located there at max AC, and front and rear defrost. And there's your start button, hazard lights, traction control, and steering wheel feel. So when we press that, it'll appear on your dash, normal, sport, comfort, and back around again. You have an automatic shifter, emergency parking brake, a couple of cup holders, and you also have in your armrest a little storage bin that has a USB and 12 volt. And you can put a few items in there. Locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, and lighting controls. 18-inch wheels, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the key's in close proximity you can lock and unlock the door. And driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. Just above the GT is your backup camera. You have backup sensors on your bumper, quad exhaust, and when you're ready to open up the trunk, you can do so from inside, or you can double click your fob. It power releases it, and then you just put your hand underneath and lift right up. Inside it's nicely carpeted and roomy, and you're seeing extra carpeted mats there. And for this vehicle, we just put our hand on the top, pull down, and the trunk is now securely closed. And then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Nothing says fun like going for a drive in a Mustang. So I've powered the seat forward and brought the back of the seat ahead. You now have access to the 2 seats in the back, and they're in a 50-50 split. So this is what you call a fastback. You simply pull the tab and down it comes. You now have access to the trunk area, and then to bring the seat back up, just give it a push and it's back in the upright position. And you have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. There's all weather mats on the floor for easy cleanup, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and the clip to bring it back, as well as the seat belt minder. Lid spoiler, LED tail lights, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.